Hey, I'm Kevin and welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Tonight I'm making some Tortilla Cheeseburger Pockets. Yeah, Tortilla Cheeseburger Pockets, cheeseburger tortilla pockets, however you want to word it. It's like a cheeseburger inside of a flour tortilla and shallow fried. What do they look like? They look like this. I've got them cut in half. I made two different kinds. One has ketchup and mustard in it, and one has, you know, like a burger secret sauce. And that's this one here. So let me show you how I make these, and we'll come back and we'll do a taste test, right? This is how you make them. Right, so for my, I call it flour glue. You can actually make glue with flour, but this is just tortilla flour glue, a tablespoon of flour. And I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's gonna be roughly 2 to 1. I don't want it super thin, but I don't want it super thick. If it goes thick, that's fine. This will work. You just want some flour and water for your glue. Soften your tortillas. You can throw them in the microwave for, 15 seconds. I like heating my tortillas over a hot flame, open flame. I'll usually do 2 like this, let it go for, 30 seconds. Then you can flip both of them and then take the top one and flip it this way. You do that. And you flip this one, and you flip it back. So we're basically just softening them. We don't have to get any char or anything, but that's it. All right, so to make these tortilla hamburger pockets, I've already got some ground beef cooked up. I didn't figure you needed to know how to cook ground beef. I did put some salt, pepper, garlic in there. So I'm just gonna scoop a little bit in there. Okay, and now when you're making a cheeseburger or hamburger, you just put whatever toppings you like. I'm going to put a slice of American cheese in there. I like dill pickle, so I'm going to put dill pickle in there. Just rough chop your dill pickle slices. I'm going to put a little bit of onion in there. And you can use ketchup and mustard if you want. I'm going to go ahead and use some hamburger sauce. This is just a secret sauce from Walmart. It's actually not too bad. So whatever sauce you like putting, you can put lettuce in here. I'm not gonna. They won't cook very long, so it won't ruin the lettuce, but I don't usually put lettuce on my burgers. All right, so then this is where your flour glue comes in. You just want to take some on a brush, or you can use your finger. And we're just gonna brush this around the edge, all the way around. Yeah, that's right. Flour tortillas, flour and water, right? Basically. So we're going to add flour and water, and then we're going to fold over our cheeseburger pocket, and that flour and water is going to glue these edges together. And I also like to take it just like you would a pie crust and just kind of push down with a fork. That does help everything kind of stay together. Especially when you're frying, you don't want it to fall apart on you. Yeah, we're going to fry these. Okay, and there you go. That there before fried is my cheeseburger tortilla pocket. Okay, I'm going to make one more and then we'll fry them up. Yeah, this is similar to what you use for paper mache. Now I'm just going to lay them in here and fry them. Won't take long. You just want to get them browned up like you would a chimichanga. You can deep fry these if you want. I decided to go with the shallow fry. Probably get them both in there. Be careful with the hot oil. That's what I'm talking about. I do want to get that edge. Okay. Now frying them up, it's just personal preference. How do you like yours? The tortillas are ready to eat right out of the bag, right? You just heat them up, fill them up, and eat them. But for these tortilla hamburger pockets, I wanted to have them toasted up. Okay, pretty super simple. You want something different, a different take on a cheeseburger and a taco, basically. And this is what we came up with. This one here is the mustard and ketchup Tortilla Cheeseburger Pocket. And let's take a taste. Which part? That is really good. Got the mustard, the dill pickles, the onions, the cheese. Okay, well, I need to taste the other one. Okay, with the ketchup and mustard, cheeseburger all the way. Let's do the secret sauce. I like my burgers with secret sauce, In-N-Out burger sauce, whatever I can get. And I got to tell you, if you make these, you gotta fry them. You gotta shallow fry them. You can deep fry them if you want. Make these little pocket sandwiches, cheeseburger pockets. Here we go. That is very good too with the burger sauce. But really, for the really cheeseburger, you taste ketchup and mustard. Get that mustard in there. Of course, you know, I'm going to be making more, and I will be putting some diced green chilies in these for green chili cheeseburger pockets. All right, super simple to make. Give these a try. Thanks for checking this out. Hit the like and subscribe. And again, you're watching Tortilla Takeover. Hopefully, I'll see you on the next video.